Next Generation Compiler Technology, Mojo. Challenges. LLVM and GCC, traditional compilers, old. LLVM. LLVM is a set of compiler and toolchain technologies that can be used to develop a front-end for any programming language and a back-end for any instruction set architecture. GCC, GNU Compiler Collection is an optimizing compiler produced by the GNU project supporting various programming languages, hardware architectures and operating systems. Solution. MLIR, Multi-Level Intermediate Representation, MU. MLIR, or Multi-Level Intermediate Representation. This is a representation format and library of compiler utilities that sits between the model representation and low-level compilers/executors that generate hardware-specific code. With MLIR, we want to enable novel explorations and optimizing compiler design and implementation, backed by production-quality components. MLIR, ability to adapt domain-specific compiler.